More than 3,000 Boeing defense workers have gone on strike for the first time since 1996 after rejecting a 20% pay rise. I want to bring in Bloomberg's Danny Lee, who's been covering the story for us. Danny, walk us through the implications for Boeing when it comes to this strike.
Yeah, Critty, good morning. So this strike is now a little under 4 hours in, affecting defense machinists, unionized defense machinists in St. Louis, Missouri. And it's the first time, as you said, they've gone on strike since 1996. And the last time the workers went on strike was for 99 days. It's not so clear this time what kind of resolve the workers will have, but this does indeed affect and a little bit Boeing in the near term, particularly the Defense, Space and Security Unit, which it falls under, which has been struggling for some time now. And particularly, it is an important part of Boeing's business that generates around a third of all of its total revenue. And in the past 3 years has amassed operating losses to the tune of $11 billion. So how did we get here? It's indeed the workers, the union workers, which rejected a 20% pay increase that would have lifted pay to around $103,000 a year from $75,000. This vote was struck down twice by the unionized workers because of contention around pensions and overtime, amongst other things. So there's a bit of a frustration for Boeing. But when you look at how important the unionized workers are, they do play a key role in building the F-15 jet and the T-7 training jet and building munitions and missiles.